Good morning, everybody. It's Larry Steinhaus, and I am the Crazy Options Trader. All right, some cool stuff going on right now. We are dead set in the middle of the dead zone. I've talked about the dead zone before. It's something that I call the dead zone. And what basically happens, to give you an idea, go onto the board right now. If we go over to our chart, our stock quotes, you can see that really nothing much is happening. Everything's falling just a little bit. Just a little bit, a little bit, a little bit. And that's exactly what happens during the dead zone. The dead zone is that period right dead center between the two earnings. So what we have going on here is earnings coming up. And if you take a look at the board, we've got Facebook's earnings coming up on November 2nd. We've got Apple's earnings coming up on October 25th. We've got Netflix at October 17th. We've got Chesapeake November 2nd also. Alcoa and October 10th. Sprint October 25th, and Ford on October 27th. Okay, these are really important numbers because this is when the stock goes like this and then it goes like this. But more importantly, the premium or the time value for the options goes up now. So you can pretty much buy any one of these in options and the premium is going to go up. So you can actually make money on the premium even if the stock doesn't go up. But I'm going to tell you right now, stocks seem to float up right before earnings. Everyone anticipates what's going on. And we got a lot of wild stuff going on over here because like 11-2 and 11-2, we've got the elections that week, or a week later, which by the way is going to wreak havoc on the stock market. Expect this. I'm going to give you my plays for it as we get closer, but it's going to be a lot of fun, or it's going to be very disappointing or extremely, extremely wonderful, depending on where Wall Street picks the candidate. But anyway, we're going to go through my numbers again. We got Facebook at 126 and 131. Facebook right now is at 127.6. So if it goes down a little bit more, I'm getting more. I'm going in. Apple right now is 111.49. I'm right there. So I would say that there's a good possibility I'm going into Apple today for calls. This should be 116. I'm looking for it to go to 116, and that would be where I'm getting out. Now, I gotta watch this date because as I get closer to that date, this stock is gonna start to pop. So we're gonna probably get in today or this week and watch for this number, and that's good enough for me. I'm okay with 5 points. 5 points in an option is awesome. All right, I'm still in Ford. I'm still in right around 12 and a half. So I'm down a little bit, but again, I haven't sold it. I told you before, I don't call it a profit or a loss until I sell it. So even though I'm down a little bit in Ford, I could have got out a little bit earlier with a profit, but I'm not out yet. Ford's coming up. I'm okay with that. I think that Ford's going to come back up a little bit. I'm kind of looking for 12.75 to get out. But if it doesn't happen, that's okay. I'm so far ahead this year anyway, it's okay. So anyway, if you want to learn how to do this and you want to learn how to make money trading options, go to www.crazyoptionstrader.com, download my free ebook. And guess what? It's free. It's free. So take it, read it, enjoy it. Send me an email after you download it if you have any questions. You'll get a couple of emails from me. I'll tell you a little bit more about what I'm doing and how this is working, because this is really working. And for those of you who don't know, my goal next year is to take $100,000 and turn it into $1 million in 1 year. I'm going to do it. I'm looking forward to having you along for the ride. Take care. Have an awesome and profitable day.